So it is New Year's Eve. Got a lot to do today, but none of it really has to do with New Year's stuff. I mean, I'm just cleaning, doing all kinds of shit. We're supposed to have stuff going on later. I don't really know what we're doing. I'm just kind of going with the flow like usual. I don't know what. Anyways, I think we're supposed to meet up with some friends later, and then, I don't know, just see where the night takes us, I guess.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Hey, what's up, buddy?
Make good choices!